Science is a magic that works. What we know is a drop, but what we don't know is an ocean. So, let's see magical science performed by our rising secondary wing scientists in this Science Week video. Here we go. Here is a list of the hands on experiments performed by our talented students.
That how to inflate a balloon with a magic. For this, we need bottle, vinegar, baking soda, and a balloon. So, I have already filled vinegar in this bottle and baking soda in this balloon. So, now we will open the cap of the bottle and cover this by a balloon. And now see what happens. See, the balloon inflates. So the conclusion of this activity is the baking soda and vinegar creates an acid-base reaction and two chemicals work together to produce a gas called carbon dioxide. Gases need space to move and therefore it moves the balloon and inflates it. So this is the experiment and you can try this at your home. This is very easy. Thank you.
Fountain. Heron's fountain is a hydraulic machine invented by the 1st century AD inventor, mathematician and physicist Heron of Alexandria, also known as Hero of Alexandria. Various versions of Heron's fountain are used today in physics classes as a demonstration of principle of hydraulics and pneumatics. To make it, we're gonna use 3 bottles and the number of drinking straws and a Fevikwik cutter and a scissor. So first we have to join 2 bottle caps like this. Now make 2 holes. Make hole on the other cap also. Now we will attach 2 drinking straws. We will stick these straws just above the base of the bottle. Now we will push another straw through the other hole of the bottle top so that it sits about a couple of inches down the bottle. Now hot glue them. Now we will join the other straw. Now we will make a hole at the base of the another bottle. Now I will attach the another straw by putting a slice at the top of the straw, sliding another straw inside. Now hot glue them. Now we will cut the third bottle to make funnel. And our fountain is completed. Now just take a look what is happening here. When it is water in the middle bottle, we pour more into the funnel of the top. This pours down the red straw into the bottom bottle and displaces the air in this bottle, pushing it up through the yellow straw into the middle bottle. The pressure increases and pushes the water in this bottle up through the blue straw, resulting in a fountain which continues to feed itself until either the water level at the bottom bottle rises higher at the yellow straw, or the water level in the middle bottle falls below.
Is required for combustion. For this experiment we need 2 candles, a glass tumbler and a matchbox. As we know that Dr. Lavoisier had given a principle that for combustion of any object we require oxygen, the matter that have to be burned and the burning point of that matter. So let's start with the procedure. Light both the candles. And then place the inverted glass tumbler over one burning candle and let's observe what happened. As we can see that the candle which is placed in open is still burning and the covered candle's flame goes out after a while. So here we can conclude that oxygen is required for combustion. Thank you.
Water. So for fire and water, we need a nail polish, a glass of water, and a candle. So firstly, we will take a nail polish and drop into the water. Like this. And now we will fire burn this. It will clearly visible in dark. You can see that the nail polish is burning. Thank you.
And this is turmeric and this is detergent and this is lemon and this water. Let's start. Now we add some water in turmeric and mix this to make a solution. Now we rubbing this on this paper by the cotton and this is lemon juice. Now we checking acid with turmeric indicator. It cannot shows any change. Now we are testing base with turmeric indicator. Now it shows that base change with turmeric but acid does not change.
Suspension and true solution. This is true solution, this is colloids and this is suspension. This is true solution. In this we have added salt and water. The particle size is less than 10⁻⁻8 and it is a homogeneous mixture and it cannot be separated easily. Here we have colloid. In this we have added water and milk and this is a heterogeneous mixture. The size of the particle is between 10⁻⁷ to 10⁻⁵ and it cannot be separated easily. Now we have suspension. In this we have added chalk powder and water and this is also a heterogeneous mixture and the particle size is more than 10⁻⁴ and it can be easily separated by the process of filtration. Now we will see an experiment called Tyndall effect. A Tyndall effect means the scattering of light by particles of colloid or suspension and making its path visible. Here we have taken colloids and suspension, not the true solution. Now we will pass a laser light in it. You can see the light is scattering in the colloid. In suspension we have to stir it because the sediment settles down. And now you can see the light is scattering. Thank you.
Presentation on zoology. First, I will start from chameleon. Chameleon. Scientific name Chameleonidae. Chameleons are a distinctive and highly specialized clan of old world lizards with 202 species. These species come in a range of colors and many species have the ability to change color. Now we all know that chameleons change their color, but how they change their color I am going to tell. Chameleon skin has a superficial layer which contains pigments and under the layer are cells with genuine crystals. Chameleons change color by changing the space between the nanocrystals, which changes the wavelength of light reflected off the crystals, which changes the color of their skin. Next is parrot. Scientific name Psittaciformes. Parrots are birds of roughly 398 species in 92 genera, found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. The greatest diversity of parrots is in South America and Australasia. Now we all know that parrots talk like humans, but how parrots talk like humans and only why parrots are able to do that I am going to tell. In humans, larynx is used to produce sound, which is
above trachea, but in parrots they have two special voice boxes called strings located at bottom of trachea. Instead of sending air through vocal cords like we do, parrots control the muscle on wall of strings to produce sound. As we use our lips, mouth and tongue to make a voice, parrots are only birds.
My topic is walking water lake. For this experiment, we need water, 5 transparent glasses, paper towel and food color and a ice cream stick. First of all, we need 5 glasses and pour water into one of the glass until it's halfway full. Now we add a few drops of food color. You can choose any color. Now mix it with ice cream stick. Now we take a paper towel about 2 inches wide and 12 inches long. Now we used one section of paper towel and fold it in half into the empty glass. Come back on 15 or 20 minutes and see what's happened. Come back to the experiment. The towel paper in the glass, should you notice, they start absorb some water. The water starts getting stuck up the towel paper. Thank you.
At the end, I would like to thank my all faculty members of Science Department and HOS ma'am for providing this wonderful platform. Thank you all for watching.